Well, there's water in the creek, and I can see some cliffs up ahead. I've been obsessing over this stupid waterfall and LiDAR maps for this area for weeks. Finally gonna see it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. This is a pretty cool waterfall. It's got the Fortress of Solitude vibes going on right now. It's running pretty good. I'm gonna go up top and see if it's spring fed. I have a feeling that there's a little cave or spring up there that I can see on the LiDAR. So let's check it out. So as you can see, this is actually a two-tiered waterfall. I'm gonna come up this little slide here and check out the springs that are feeding it. Oh, this is great news. The waterfall is spring fed, and I also found a cave. I'm not going in there without a helmet though. But check out the spring, it's really cool. This is a pretty cool waterfall for being a totally random rock outcrop in the middle of the woods, just popping up in this little drainage out of nowhere. I don't know that it has a name. I was thinking about maybe Blood Swarm Falls or Itch Bite Falls. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments.